Hey there. Feeling overwhelmed by your messy room? Don't worry, you're not alone. Cleaning your room can feel like climbing a mountain, but today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to clean your room efficiently and keep it tidy. By the end of this, you'll have a space you'll actually want to spend time in. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First, let's start with your mindset. Cleaning a messy room can feel overwhelming, but breaking it into smaller tasks makes it manageable. Research shows that breaking big goals into smaller ones can reduce stress. The American Psychological Association even says this is one of the best ways to handle tasks that seem daunting. So, think about what you want to accomplish. Do you want your whole room spotless or just the basics today? Write it down or say it out loud. Begin by getting rid of the obvious trash. This includes wrappers, old papers, and anything that's clearly garbage. Use a trash bag and go around the room, throwing stuff away. If you find items to donate, like clothes you don't wear anymore, put them in a separate bag. A study by the National Association of Productivity and Organizing Professionals says starting with visible mess creates an instant sense of progress. Trust me, this quick win will motivate you. Tackle laundry. Next, pick up all the clothes on the floor, bed, or chair. If they're dirty, toss them in a laundry basket. If they're clean, fold them neatly or hang them up. Sorting your laundry now prevents the dreaded laundry mountain later. Declutter surfaces. Move to your desk, nightstand, and any other flat surfaces. Put things back where they belong. If you're not sure where an item should go, ask yourself, do I use this regularly? Does it make me happy? If the answer is no, consider donating or storing it. Clean from top to bottom. Once clutter is gone, it's time to actually clean. Start with higher surfaces like shelves and work your way down. Dust everything, shelves, counters, and even your light fixtures. Then wipe surfaces with a damp cloth and an all-purpose cleaner. This top-to-bottom method keeps dust from falling onto freshly cleaned areas below. The experts at Mary Maid's Cleaning Service recommend this approach because it's efficient and thorough. Now, focus on the floors. Sweep or vacuum up all the dust and dirt that's fallen. If you have a rug, don't forget to give it some love too. Finally, put everything in its place. Use bins or containers to store similar items together. Label them if you like, it makes finding things so much easier later. If you're stuck on how to organize, think of this tip from the home edit: store frequently used items where they're easy to reach and less used items higher up or out of the way. That's it. Your room should now feel clean, peaceful, and ready for you to enjoy. Remember, maintaining it is easier than starting from scratch, so try a quick 5-minute tidy up each day to keep things manageable. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment below with your best cleaning tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!